Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a back to top button in Elementor. This is a really handy feature that improves user experience by letting visitors quickly jump back to the top of your page with a single click, especially useful on long scrolling pages. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to Pages and click on All Pages. This will show you all the pages on your website. Look for the specific page where you want to add the back to top button and click Edit with Elementor. This opens up the Elementor editor where you'll be doing all the customization work. Now, from the left panel in Elementor, search for the icon widget. Once you find it, drag it into a new section on your page. This icon will serve as your back to top button, so placement doesn't matter too much right now since we'll be making it fixed later. After dragging the widget in, you'll want to select which icon you'd like to use. Click on the icon itself and you'll see a library of several icons appear. You can browse through them or use the search bar to find something specific. For example, if you type arrow into the search field, you'll get arrow-related icons that work perfectly for a back-to-top button. Once you've found the one you like, click Insert to add it. Next, click on the link icon within the widget settings. In the link field, type #top. This tells the button to scroll back to the very top of the page when clicked. It's a simple anchor link that makes the functionality work smoothly. Now let's make this button stay visible as users scroll. Go to the Advanced tab and then click on Position. Set the position option to Fixed. This ensures the button remains on screen even when someone scrolls down the page. You'll also see options for horizontal orientation and vertical orientation. Choose right or left for horizontal depending on where you want the button to sit, and set vertical orientation to bottom so it appears near the bottom of the screen. After that, adjust the horizontal offset and vertical offset to 20px each. This gives the button a little breathing room from the edges of the screen, making it look polished and professional. Finally, head over to the Style tab to customize the appearance of your icon. Here you can increase the size to make it more noticeable, add a background color to help it stand out, and tweak any other design elements like padding or border radius to match your site's aesthetic. And that's it. You've successfully added a functional back-to-top button in Elementor that enhances navigation and keeps your site user-friendly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.